Hi guys, it's my second YouTube channel, and obviously, like, if you've got a pet cat to just like understand them or something, I can show you how it's done. So yeah, sorry, I'm not really showing off. So sorry guys, that was just my mum. I had to pause it for a minute, or maybe not even a minute. So like, do you want me to show you my cat? Yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay, I'll go show you my cat. Okay, I just need to go into my room. Oh, so it's a bit dark. I'll be. Okay, obviously here I am. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. Here's my little pussy cat. Here she is, my little darling bun. See? There? Follow the camera. As you can see, its tail and its little pretty little bum with it. Oh, Zoe, that's so cool. Now come over to the lamp, little pussy cat. Come on. See, they all want to see you. There you are. So anyway, that's my cat, and sorry guys, if they like wag their tail like really fast, that means they're gonna scratch. That's pretty much what they do to say watch out. Why little pussycat? It's just the handbags. Sorry, it's just my little pudgy bum. And anyway, its name's Smudgy. So if you want to know that, yeah. So, if they purr, that practically means they're happy. I guess everyone knows that. And if they've got like a little curl on their tail, it means they want to play. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyway, bye for now. Bye. Little pussycat.